Fire escape engineers, inspector summary video. Inspector Manassas here. We're here on in White Plains, New York, and this is the 7th fire escape of 7 total on around this building. This fire escape is very much like the very first one, so I'll be brief in this one because it refers back to what we've seen on all the other fire escapes. We have, first of all, life safety issues in all the fire escapes, including this one, in that the front flat is no longer supporting that railing in the front, and that flat working together is a truss that basically allows the support structure to be holding each platform, which is then only tied back into the building, 8 to 12 inches. Everything must work together in order to support the staircases and such. This fire escape has no evidence of any bolts, no change bolts anywhere. This fire escape is 50 to 75 years old, and it has not had any evidence of maintenance. Very severely corroded, very severely rusted. A lot of the joints in the corners are gone. So all the bolts are square heads or rivets. This fire escape has not seen any maintenance in 50 to 75 years at least. And no new hardware to be found anywhere. Ladder drops to the ground. You got to do a little bit of trimming over there because you got to be able to get out of there and come down to a public way. So we need to create a path of some sort. There's pipes, there's drainage, there's all kinds of things happening here that need to be addressed as to when you come down off that ladder, where do you go? Needs a full paint job, licensed renovator required, permits required in order to perform any work. A lot of cement issues are more evident on the other fire escape than this one, but this cement, if the water isn't coming in from the sills, the water is coming in from cracks above the T-bars and the C-channels that are tying into the building. So you see evidence. You got a lot of rusty tiers coming down on the walls. Rails are missing on the inside, protective, so you don't fall down the stairs. The only railing there is really up on the roof one, but we need railings all the way down so that nobody falls. 100% rebolting of all the treads, 100% rebolting of all the structural, 100%. This fire escape has treads that are all riveted, never change of any bolts, but heavily corroded from above. And like fire escapes number 1 through 6, this fire escape will not take a load in the current condition that it's in. The requirement is 100 pounds per square foot, and due to the fact that all the rivets and the bolts have either popped or are severely corroded, this fire escape has life safety issues. Any questions, fire escape engineers? Inspector Manassas, 800-649-3333, 800-649-3333.